The Camp Thunderbolt is a great choice for commutes and recreation alike. It handles hills and is priced well for its 16 speeds, dual disc brakes, and lighter weight at 29 pounds. Among the bike's key features are 16-speed rear derailleur, adjustable kickstand, adjustable handlebar, alloy seal bearing hub, cassette freewheel 1232T, folding pedal with reflectors, front and rear fenders, foldable stem, rear rack, and many others. It's also important to note that the Camp Thunderbolt comes with a foldable frame. All of this means that you'll find it easy to fold or unfold a bike when such a need arises. It's worth noting that you should take only 3 steps to fold or unfold the Camp Thunderbolt bike. Keep in mind that folding or unfolding process takes no longer than 15 seconds. Another important thing that you need to be aware of is that the bike's frame is covered with small rubber protector. That means that you are unlikely to scratch the paint on bike's frame when folding or unfolding the Camp Thunderbolt. What is great about the Camp Thunderbolt is that the bike is versatile. With such a folding bike as Camp Thunderbolt, you'll be able to ride on any type of a road. In other words, you'll be able to ride up and down hills, on the beach, around the city, in rural areas, on bike paths, or anywhere you want. Performance. Unpacking and setup was a breeze. I have the gray Camp Thunderbolt, and it looks very nice. The frame is very sturdy but easy to maneuver, fold, unfold, and store. Folding pedals limit problems loading and unloading in tight spaces. I found the simple magnet feature which keeps the bike in its folded position helpful. It is especially convenient when carrying the bike from one location to the next. The ride was smooth and comfortable. For the price range, 16 speeds is uncommon, 7 is more common. The Camp Thunderbolt handles hills easily and the solid construction feels good. It was easy to trust this bike throughout the ride, especially the brakes. The dual disc brakes were awesome. These are a great feature and give the bike great stopping power in all weather conditions. Overview. The big question is the Camp Thunderbolt folding bike worth buying or not? Let's take a closer look at the Camp Thunderbolt folding bike's customer reviews and try to get the answer. Only one consumer is not happy with the Camp Thunderbolt folding bike. He said that his bike failed technically after 1 week. The cyclist also said that he found that the bike went heavily. That's why the client returned the bike and requested refund. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.